Welcome to our series on getting ready for calculus. Here we have taken solution of two questions from our final test exam paper, question number 5 and 6, which deal with the derivative of exponential and logarithmic function. Let us enjoy this journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take solution of two questions from our calculus final test. The first one is question number 5, where we need to find the derivative of the function p to the power of x. And the next one is to find the derivative of f of x equals to log to the base a of x. Now, both these questions are related to derivatives of exponential functions. I hope you remember a few basic formulae which will be utilized in solving these two questions. So one of them, let me list those formulas first. So we want to, if we are given y equals to e to the power of x, then the derivative is same as e to the power of x. If we are given e to the power of f of x, then the derivative is e to the power of f of x times the derivative of the function. So chain rule is applied. And if we know that y equals to ln x, then the derivative is 1 over x. So utilization of these formulas is kind of important. And as you know, exponential functions e to the power of x and ln x are one inverse functions, right? So we're going to use that property also. So what I'm trying to say here is that e to the power of ln x is basically equal to x, right? And change of base formula, if I have log to the base b of x, it could be changed to any other base using change of base formula, which is, um, let me write not e here, in general, let me write a here, and then we can write log to the base a of b. So these are the set of formulae which will be utilized in answering these two questions. And it's kind of a review for you to prepare for the final test. Well, those of you who want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. We also conduct summer classes to get you ready for coming semester. Okay, so now let's really solve the question. We are given the function f of x equals to p to the power of x. To find its derivative, we'll rewrite the function, and we could actually rewrite this function as e to the power of, as you see, using this particular property, right, we can rewrite ln of p to the power of x. You understand? So, so now this is exactly same. Perfect. We can now easily find the derivative and apply the derivative which we know of e to the power of f of x. So now the derivative of this will be the function itself, which is ln p to the power of x, times the derivative of the exponent, which is, let me write like this, ddx of ln p to the power of x. Is that clear to you? All right. Now, e to the power of ln px, as you know, is only p to the power of x. And this derivative, let's go one more step here, derivative of x times ln p. Now, you know, ln p is a constant, right? So this term ln p is a constant. So x times a constant, the derivative should be what? So it is derivative of x is 1, and so we get ln p here, right? So that becomes the derivative of p to the power of x. I hope the steps are straightforward, absolutely clear. Now that forms a basic, and it can really help you to answer many complicated questions based on exponential functions. Great. Perfect. Now let's move on to the second question, which is similar, but we're given the function f of x as equal to log to the base a of x. Now we can actually rewrite this function and change the base, correct? That should help. Now, changing base to what? Changing base to e really helps, right? So we can say log to the base e of x over log to the base e of a. Now, log to the base e, as you know, we say ln, so we can write as ln x over ln a, correct? So we have rewritten the function, and that's kind of important. While working with questions related to exponential and logarithmic functions, you may have to rewrite these functions. And now, ln a is a constant. See, ln a is a constant. You understand? Perfect. So it is like a constant times ln x, right? So we can find the derivative of this particular function. We have a constant which is 1 over ln a, and we need to find the derivative of this function means d dx of x, right? So clearly it is 1 over ln a, which is a constant. And derivative of ln x, as you know, is 1 over x. And so we get our derivative of this particular function, which is log to the base x, right? So we can write d dx of log to the base e of x is basically equal to 1 over ln a times x. Is that clear to you? So that is how we can actually differentiate them, and this becomes a formula for you. You can apply this formula in answering questions. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.